So this is a quick video of how you remove the engine cover from the inside of a Chevy Express cargo van. It's just a quick video. The first thing you do, you come here on the driver's side and you pull this cover open. This cover here is held by two bolts. One bolt here, under here, and another bolt under here on this side here, on this side of the panel. So one bolt on the left side, one bolt on the right side of this panel. This panel pops out. You just pull it. If you pull this panel here, from this side here, it pops out. Just pull it. It has clips. It's clipped in. So this whole panel will come out. Once this panel comes out, which is the panel under the engine, you come here to the cup holder. This cup holder here, it's held by 4 bolts. All these bolts are 10 millimeters. It's held by 4 bolts inside. Under this cup holder, you come inside, you open 4 bolts under the cup holder inside here. Then this cup holder will come out like this. It will pop out. Just like that. See? That comes out. When the cup holder comes out, this is just the air vent. Make sure when you put back the cover, you put back this is the air vent. It goes in here. Then, this is the engine cover. It's held by 4 clips. These are the clips. There's one. To open these clips, you just pull and open the clip. That's one clip. There's one more clip here. Then there's one clip on the driver's side, all the way in the back, near the gas pedal, right there. You can see it. There's another clip there. And then on the passenger side, there's another clip way back there on the passenger side. 4 clips. One passenger side, one driver's side, and 2 in front. If you open all those 4 clips, this engine cover will come off. You just pull this thing out. That's the engine cover. But to remove it, you need to remove these side panels. That's a quick video of how to remove the engine cover. So to put it back, you go back the same way. You put the engine cover back on, put the 4 clips back on, put the side panels, this one and the one on the other one on the passenger side. Then you come back and put back the cup holder. So there is only 4 screws on the cup holder. 2 screws on 2 screws on this side panel and 2 screws on the other side panel, and the engine cover will come off. To put it back, you do it backwards the same way. As easy as that. Any questions, just ask in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, bye. And quickly, there's 2 more bolts that go right here under the seatbelt light. In there, 1, 2 10mm bolts when you're removing the engine cover. Okay, subscribe.